This is a rare option. It has tilt wheels. That means I can eat a big one, put it up, put it down. There we go. And the steering wheel is tight. There's not a lot of play in it. All the gates. The whole truck is documented here. We've got receipts. We've got the price sheet with all the options. This is what we like to see, full documentation. So if you look at this engine compartment, it's so pristine you could eat off of it. It's a #1 truck. I don't say too many are #1, but there's just not anything to pick on it. It's so pristine. I'll show you the inside. The inside is called a Highlander interior because of the plaid. Look how 70s retro cool this is. This is how the truck was originally born with this. Look how the door closes. Solid. Great alignment. Great fit and finish. The side is so straight. There's just nothing, like I said, to pick on it. This is a high dollar restoration. Well done. And really the truck speaks for itself. Look at that. That's a work of art. This truck is worth every penny of the asking price. You could not build it to this spec, to this condition for this price. Look at the bed here. Flawless. Fingerprints on this. It's so nice.
Okay.